Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick tidy up clean with me. This is a very quick video, so you'll be seeing me doing a little bit of cleaning, and you will also see my fall decor. So this is basically a clean with me slash fall haul, and you'll be seeing some decorations that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and stuff like that. So you guys stick around and stay tuned and get you some cleaning motivation and also get you some fall inspiration.
She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her.
Okay guys, today's video scripture comes from Proverbs 31 verses 25 through 31. She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. She speaks with wisdom, and faithful instruction is on her tongue. She watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. Her children arise and call her blessed. Her husband praises her. Many women do noble things, but you shall surpass them all. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Honor her for all that her hands have done, and let her works bring her praise at the city gate.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby you are everywhere. I wish that you were here
Okay guys, now it's time to give you guys a little bit of a fall haul. So I'm gonna start on this side. This is my kitchen towels, and it says, "Let us come before him with thanksgiving," Psalm 95:2. And it's so cute with the little burnt orange and yellow colors. And then we have these little yard signs, and a lot of this stuff come from the Dollar Tree. This came from the Dollar Tree. It's a yard sign, and I thought that that was really cute. I got these little pumpkin sticks, decorative picks from Dollar Tree. I got this pumpkin from Marshall's, and it was $14.99. I got this pumpkin from Dollar Tree, which was $1. This come from Dollar Tree, $1. Dollar Tree leaves. Maybe I can do something with this. I thought it was cute. We have some flowers from the Dollar Tree, floral picks. This Dollar Tree, which is very, very good quality for $1. So that's Dollar Tree. That's Dollar Tree. Yeah, this is Dollar Tree. Some leaves. And this was after the fact that I brought these flowers from Walmart. If I would have known Dollar Tree had some good flowers like that, I would have kept these Walmart ones. You know, at Walmart I wouldn't have purchased it. But these come from Walmart, but I think it'll go good with my vase, my tall vase. So I will stick that in there because it's very full. And this also comes from Walmart. And this is Dollar Tree. And then we have my wreath, and I purchased this wreath from I want to say Ross like 2 years ago, and it's just so cute. I don't even want to buy a new wreath. I just love this wreath color, and I think that it will go really, really well with my door that I painted about a month or two ago. This greenish bluish color door. I think that the oranges will make it so cute and pop. And oh, I also have this from the Dollar Tree also. And then in this bucket, this is some stuff that I had last year. So I have this, some more like a little leaf garland. We have this bless sign. I don't know what I'll be able to do with this, but I'll see. But I used this last year outside. Got the bless sign. And we have these little floral pots that I got from Walmart, but I would not recommend these pots outside because the wind kept blowing it down. But we'll see what I can do with those. And that's another one, and that's it. So that's it for my little mini fall haul. I am not through with fall shopping. I have a few more things that I need to get. I need to order some pillowcases for the pillows. I also need to order a mat for outside and some outside pillows. And I think that I will be pretty much done with my fall shopping. This fall shopping was on a budget. Majority of the stuff come from Dollar Tree. I only brought just a few little items like this and a few flowers. The rest is, you know, Dollar Tree products, and then I'm using my wreath from last year. So I just need a few more things, and my fall shopping will be done. And you guys should see my fall decorating video really, really soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.